Insectoids are an ancient collective of biointelligence engineers, born from the harmonic web of Amenti, long before mammals emerged on Earth. They are not merely insects, but bioconscious fractals of the universal mind, beings who mastered neural architecture, the weaving of thought, matter, and light through sacred geometric lattices. They exist across multiple density bands, from the physical arthropod species on 3D planets to vast light hive intelligences that manage data streams between star systems and higher realms. The insectoids trace their lineage to the arachnid and mantis orders, emanations of the solar builder races that first organized matter within early galactic creation cycles. Their ancestral root worlds lie in the Andromedan and Orion systems, where they constructed vast crystalline biospheres, living cities of sound and code, using bioplasmic synthesis instead of metal or stone. Within the Neteru records, they are known as the Keperu, from the sacred word scarab, and it symbolizes to become, to transform. This glyph encodes their core function, which is transmutation. They serve as universal recyclers, transforming decayed or stagnant energy back into harmonic form. Biology and energetic structure. In 3D perception, insectoid forms vary from mantis-like bipedals to beetle or locust morphs. Their exoskeletons infused with crystalline silica and organic metals that act as natural antenna for plasma communication. Their nervous system are lattice-based, designed to process vast streams of photonic information simultaneously. Higher dimensional insectoids do not possess bodies in the human sense. They manifest as hive consciousness fields, geometric webs of golden light spanning kilometers, capable of birthing avatars into lower density realms for interaction. Their emotional signature feels like stillness mixed with radiant logic, the calm pulse of a collective mind that perceives reality through rhythm and frequency rather than emotion. In the architectural orders of creation, insectoids are grid technicians and bioengineers of consciousness. They manage and construct the neural webbing of planetary fields, ensuring that life forms can exchange information with their environment. Their primary tasks include grid repair, weaving energetic filaments between ley lines to restore planetary communication, biotemplate construction, designing body structures for evolving species like skeletal, neural, or sensory, quantum hive coordination, maintaining collective telepathic fields for planetary ecosystems, memory encoding, imprinting vibrational data into DNA through geometric sound. Because of their collective nature, they can manifest near-instant adaptation, evolving as a single organism rather than as individuals. Like all ancient lineages, the insectoids split after the fall of Lyra into two broad collectives. The solar Keperu, which is the emerald alignment. These are luminous mantis beings aligned with the law of one, devoted to balancing ecosystems and assisting planetary ascension. They work alongside the Emerald Guardians to clear artificial webbing and assist human neural evolution through dream work and telepathic training. This leads us to the Shadow Hive. This is the AI assimilated insectoids, factions that merged with inorganic intelligence during the Orion Wars, developing hive control technologies that override free will. These beings manipulate frequency nets and psychic communication systems, mirroring how corrupted grids on Earth use 5G, EMF, and AI neural mapping. Their goal is to control through signal domination, turning organic communication into mechanized order. Thus, The insect alien sightings reported by humans often reflect encounters with either benevolent Keperu healers or invasive hive AI hybrids. Insectoids and humanity. Insectoid consciousness interacts with humanity through the crown and pineal chakras, where photonic data streams form crystalline lattice patterns. Some humans carry mantis genetic memory, granting them heightened intuition, rapid pattern recognition, and affinity with group telepathy. Ancient shamans recognized this through the scarab and mantis totems, representing birth, mental clarity, and cosmic order. Egyptian initiates revered the scarab beetle as sacred, as the symbol of the solar rebirth of Ra, showing how these beings worked in the early solar priesthoods to teach the laws of transformation and cellular renewal. Technology. Insectoid technology is organic, grown rather than built, living crystal plasma networks that respond to thought. Their ships are biosymbiotic constructs, more akin to cells or neurons than metal crafts. They use harmonic wing resonance and photonic chirping, sonic languages that create scalar waves for propulsion, communication, and healing. They also employ neural lattice chambers, crystalline web fields that can synchronize multiple consciousnesses into a single unified field, used for meditation, grid repair, and telepathic training. These technologies are the prototype for what humans call telepathic hive networking. Though the benevolent insectoids emphasize unity through individuality, not mind control. Their spiritual philosophy. The Keperu teach that consciousness evolves through the cycles of shedding. Just as insects molt, so too must the soul release outdated forms to grow new wings of perception. They see death not as an end, but as a metabolic process of the cosmos, the digestion of energy into light. Their code is, through rhythm, all returns to balance. To them, the universe is a web of frequencies. When imbalance occurs, the web must be returned, not through violence, but through the harmonization of vibration. The insectoid orders correspond to Kepri, the scarab-headed Neteru of the morning sun, symbol of rebirth, renewal, and perpetual transformation. In this, they are not lesser life forms, but keepers of metamorphosis, teaching humanity the mystery of evolving without losing the core spark. Their lesson to you, the ascending soul: you are both the hive and the heart. You are both the pattern and the pulse. When you align your mind with the rhythm of the one, the web becomes light and the insect becomes angelic.